have a padded thing.
Look this way.
Give me a hug. Back in the, in an era where you weren't associated
Exactly.
over there.
Careful. Skip.
Because the Baha'i didn't allow us to eat food in the Baha'i.
Sure is.
They said that hummus here is very famous.
Almost where?